Hello and welcome to my kitchen. How about Soya Nuggets Seekh Kabab? In this video, I'll show you how to make them. You will be able to cook these protein-rich, tasty vegan kebabs expertly yourself. Have you subscribed to my channel already? I have here some boiling water and about 75 grams of soya chunks that I'll boil in it. Boil the soya chunks for about 7 to 8 minutes. So I'll let that boil. Strain the soya chunks. Wash them with cold water. And leave it to cool down. Once the nuggets have cooled down completely, just squeeze out all the water that's there in them and keep them aside. Put the soya chunks in a mixie jar and grind them. Grind the rest of it as well. Soak the soybeans in water for about 4 to 6 hours. Boil the soybeans and just drain the water. Put them into a mixie jar and grind it. You'll also need finely chopped cabbage, some grated carrots and finely chopped coriander leaves. Chaat Masala, a pinch of turmeric or haldi, Garam Masala and some coriander powder, black salt and regular salt, finely chopped onions, grated ginger and grated garlic, boiled and grated potatoes. Take a mixing bowl, add in the cooked soybean nuggets, add in the soya bean paste, the beans that we had boiled. The soya bean paste is quite stiff and it will act as a binding agent as well. Add in the grated carrots, the chopped cabbage, coriander leaves, the chopped onions, ginger and garlic. Mix well. Add in the spices, salt to taste, grated potato, some finely chopped green chilies and mix it thoroughly. I'll use my hands now. Give it a taste. Adjust the seasoning. Mix it up. You may add in some gram flour or besan. I have roasted it lightly. Just mix it. You'll also need wooden skewers. Just remember to soak them in water for half an hour before you start making the seekh. Let's build the kebabs around the wooden skewer. The seekh kebab is actually made of minced meat and the seekh plays a role in actually cooking the kebab. But in the vegetarian version, most of the ingredients are cooked. So all we need to do is just get a slight color on the outside and they should be done. The skewer is just a reminder of the name that we are using. That's one done. Make the rest of them. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Heat some oil in a pan and lightly fry the skewers. Brush them with oil. Flip them over. Look at the nice color. Brush them on the sides. Keep turning them. Be careful. The pan is hot. The kebabs are hot. The skewers look perfectly cooked on the outside. Time to get them out. Fry the rest. Serve the kebabs with onion rings and lemon wedges. Wrap it in a paratha or chapati for a filling snack.